All right, so today we are going to be installing a mirror tap. So there's two ends here, positive and negative, and then it goes to a micro USB. This is going to be for my Garmin dash cam. So this happens to be the same exact installation as my video for the 5 series that I have. So this is a brand new, well, I guess it's a used 2021 G12 745E that I got recently. So here's a quick video on how to do it. So just like the 5 series, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the mirror down. I need to take off this plastic piece here. So there's 2 clips on the side here. So normally I have to push in on one side like this and then pull back and boom, it pops out. So you might need a little bit of force. If you look closely, there's a clip right here. This is when I'm pushing in a little bit and then I'm pushing back out this way. So there's 2 plugs here. You could use either plug, right? They both have a red wire that's gonna be positive and a brown wire that's ground. So I'm just gonna take this top one, and I've actually used both before in my 5 series. So I used one for a radar detector and one for the dash cam. So if you're wondering, you can use both. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a look at this plug here. There's 3 wires right now. One is red, one is gray, and one is brown. So the red one is all the way on the right here. That one is going to be my power, and the brown one on the other side is going to be my ground. So if you look at the plug, there's a little notch on the bottom right, and I'm gonna see if I could fit my pin in there. So I'll put in the ground first. So I can actually put it in, but it's a little bit loose. So I probably don't want to use that side since it's a bit loose. So I'm gonna try flipping this plug around backwards to see if it's tighter on the other side. So if I look closely, I could see that there's less room, so it should have a better hold. Let's see. So unfortunately, I can't force it in on the other side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab a needle. I'm gonna put it in the corner because the needle will fit easily. I'm just gonna wiggle it around a little bit and try to make a little bit of room for this, because the pin is slightly larger than this needle. So that should be good enough for that and give it a little bit of space for me to stick in the pin and give it a good, nice, snug fit. So now when I try this again, I'll put it in. So that one went in fine, the ground. Now let's see. The power is a little tight. I don't think I can fit it in yet. So I'm gonna try to grab my needle once again. See if I can push it in a little more and make a little more room. So there you go. So now it fits in fine. So now it's nice and snug. I'm just gonna grab my dash cam real quick, plug this in just to do a test, turn on the car real quick, boom, green light. So now everything's good to go. So now I just need to put everything back together and we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna take this, put the plug back in, make sure I don't pull out the wire tap. Just push it down, it snaps back in. Now I'm going to tuck in this wire tap right here. I'm just gonna have it come out the bottom of right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tuck this in underneath the set of wires over on this right side. Right there. I'm gonna make sure I have, all this stuff in here from the wire tap tucked inside underneath this case. And then I'm gonna put this back on real quick. Push this down. It snaps back into place. And now this is good to go. So now I just need to take my dash cam and put the double-sided tape on right here and mount it up, and I should be good to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching.